there was this part I was climbing up these stairs, like I could just see like really in front of me, but it was climbing up to this observation area, and it was like, you know, just sort of spiraling up. Fuck am I doing? Anyway, I looked down and like I'm starting to get really lightheaded. I'm finally here at the top where I can come out. It's only me. I think Steven waited down below, and then I'm on this floor. And like I walk out here, but I steady myself because then I look down through these stairs and I can see that, you know, you can fall down through there, and I realized I have to put it together. I have to, you know, snap out of it. So I walk out here, and then there's some guy who's arrived there, and this was not at night. I think this area we went to, and it's like this bearded guy, like all warmly dressed up, and he was saying that, yeah, we don't often see people here at night, or we occasionally. I think that was the thing that he meant, like, yeah, we somehow run into people here at night, like it's like this coincidence thing that happened. So apparently not a lot of people coming up here. But I was watching this Antarctica documentary last night by Werner Herzog, so I think that's, you know, why I'm dreaming of this. And there was another thing where I'm like in a fridge, but it's like, you know, when you climb down from a fridge, but then it was kind of laid out like more in front of me like this. And my friend Veronica Lopez was there with her boyfriend, and they were climbing. They were trying to get out. There was a part with my gym too, I have to remember. They were trying to get out, but then I couldn't get any further here because it was kind of, most of the stuff was my stuff, and I had to find something in there or something, and then so I kind of scooched to the side so that I can get through. And then Steven, it was like a lid at the bottom you could close, like you know, when you have like a big tray at the bottom. I guess it wasn't like there wasn't a closed lid, so I closed it, which kind of created a step, and then he helped them out. And then when he got there, she gave him like a glass of something. Veronica did. Steven was like over here. It said some saying that apparently in my dream Steven was saying all the time, and it's something about a brain bitch, something about, I think, I'm pretty sure it had the bitch in there. And then in my dream, it was like a saying from like Donnie and Marie Osmond. Okay, there was like something with my gym where, you know, those hip machines that like all the girls want to work out with, where you put your legs here, the hips adductor or abductor, where all the girls want to put their legs in there, and you know, it was about that. But my gym had two of them, like one was upstairs and one downstairs, and then I was like telling, you know, kind of starting to make like a speech about it, about why they don't buy any more of them. There were other people. There was other fancy equipment there, like weird equipment.